Music generally has two channels, a left channel and a right channel. Each channel is independent and contains its own music. While reading the audio, we are taking Fourier transform for plotting. After that, we are plotting the graph of audio in time domain and in frequency domain. Now we are subtracting the left channel from the right channel to obtain vocals from the music. Finally, plotting the original audio, both of its channel, and the extracted instrument component of the song. Now you can listen to the original song.
No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it.
Now, this is the instrumental music of the song.
So this is the code to isolate the voices of individuals from a mixture. First we need to have two audios. Now you will be hearing the first audio.
The cocktail party effect refers to the ability of the brain to focus on a single speaker while filtering out other voices and background noise. Humans perform very well at the cocktail party.
And this is the second audio.
First is to implement a buck converter on Proteus software. We wanted to simulate a circuit and then make an exact copy on a PCB board and then find out what.
So here we are reading the first audio and then the second audio. Now the next step is to mix both of these audios. And also we have to make sure that both of these have equal power in the mix. So we have to normalize the mix so that its maximum amplitude is 1. Here the mixing is done, and then we are going to visualize both of the signals as well as the mixed output. So in this code we are first printing the graph in the time domain. This is the speaker 1, speaker 2 and the mixed audio, and then we are also going to visualize it in the frequency domain. And here we are plotting the graphs in frequency domain. So here you can see the speaker 1, speaker 2 and the mixed audio output in frequency domain. And now we are going to hear what the mixed output is.
The cocktail party effect refers to the ability of the brain to focus on a single speaker while filtering out other voices and background noise. Humans perform very well at the cocktail party.
Okay, so now we are going to separate the individual audios from this mixture. So for that we are going to use two methods. But first of all I will focus on ideal binary mask. This is a kind of source separation method in which you have to create a mask for particular audio, and then using that mask you can extract other audios from it. So here what we are doing is that I am first taking STFT, that is the short time Fourier transform of the of three signals. The first one is the speaker 1, speaker 2 and the mixture we have obtained. After that we are also creating a binary mask for the speaker 1. Here I have plotted the binary mask for the speaker 1. And then what we are going to do is that to obtain the audio of speaker 1 we have to first multiply the binary mask of audio 1 with the short time Fourier transform or STFT of the mixture. And also for the other audio we have to multiply the STFT of mixture with inverse of that binary mask. Now what we are obtaining here is that is PM hard and FM and PF hard are the audios of both the speakers, but they are in STFT form. So for obtaining them in audio format we have to first take their inverse transform. So here I am taking the inverse transform of both the speeches and then I am plotting them. So first we are going to plot these four speeches in time domain. So here you can see the original speech that we have initially, and then these are the estimated speech that we have obtained after the ideal binary mask. And next now we can hear the outputs. So after the taking inverse Fourier transform we are having these two audios, that is the extracted audios from the mixture.
The cocktail party effect refers to the ability of the brain to focus on a single speaker while filtering out other voices and background noise. Humans perform very well at the cocktail party.
So this was the first audio and this is the second extracted audio.
First is to implement a buck converter on Proteus software. We wanted to simulate a circuit and then make an exact copy on a PCB board and then find out what is.
So both of these audios are quite muffled. So we are also going to use, so first we are going to calculate the error. So I am here calculating the mean squared error for both of these audios. And finally, I am using my second method, that is the soft mask. Soft mask is almost same method, but just the difference is how we are creating the mask. So here it is a different kind of mask, and we are also creating this for the speaker one. And by using the same method, we are creating the STFT for the first and second audios. For the first audio, we are directly multiplying the STFT of mixture with our soft mask, and for the second audio, we are multiplying inverse of the soft mask with STFT of mixture. And then to finally to get the output in audio format, we have to take the inverse Fourier transform. So here I am taking inverse Fourier transform of both the speeches, speech 1 and speech 2, using the soft mask. And now I am going to plot both of these audios along with the extracted audios. So here you can see the original speech 1 and original speech 2, and these are the estimated speeches from the soft mask from our second method. And now we can hear both of these audios. So first I'm going to play the first audio we have obtained.
The cocktail party effect refers to the ability of the brain to focus on a single speaker while filtering out other voices and background noise. Humans perform very well at the cocktail party.
And this is the second audio we have extracted.
First is to implement a buck converter on Proteus software. We wanted to simulate a circuit and then make an exact copy on a PCB board and then find out what.
Now we are also going to calculate for this method the error. So the mean squared error is calculated here. So as you can see, I have calculated for all the for both of these audios. And now you can see for the speech 1 and speech 2, here are the error mean squared error values. So for the soft mask, it is lesser than the binary mask. So the performance of soft mask is definitely better than the binary mask. And so this is the method how we have separated the individual audios from a mixture. Thank you.